Have you ever thought about how superficial Turkey might work?
No, I never have. How's it work?
Yeah, no, it's good. Lots of new ideas, experiences, touching me deeply. Yours?
Yeah. I mean, Orwell's vision of a dystopian future just...
I know, mind blowing. Crazy.
Yobs! Yobs everywhere! How do you stop this thing?